Guys, my name is UTA, and in this experiment you will determine the enthalpy and entropy of a reaction. We're gonna add the 60 milliliters of water into the approximately 30 grams of borax, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna stir it. And we're gonna heat it up to 60 degrees. And also you want to use your thermometer and actually record the temperature of the bath, and record that in your book, and record all the values the book tells you to. And while we are holding it to boil up, to heat up, we can stir for 5 minutes. Not frequently, just occasionally stir for 5 minutes. We're not trying to dissolve it, we're just trying to make it mix, and then for another 5 minutes we'll make it settle. For this part, after you let it cool down a bit, and when it's about 45 in that area, it doesn't have to be specifically 45. What you're gonna do is take the liquid after it's all settled down in the solid at the bottom and a liquid at the top. You take the liquid and you put 5 milliliters of the liquid solution into a graduated cylinder to transfer it to your 125 milliliter Erlenmeyer flask. And try not to pick up any solid like I'm doing here. That's the wrong thing to do. But again, you don't have to freak out if you do have solids in there. It's just that it's better if you don't have any solid, but it's going to be taken care of. And now what you do is you add 25 milliliters for the 45 degrees Celsius jar flask. You add 25 milliliters of water. You add the 5 milliliters of solution into your flask, and you label your flask as the 45 degrees Celsius. And if you find out you have any solid left or any precipitation left in your graduated cylinder, what you can do is you can use a wash bottle to rinse it out, and you can use a scalpel or preferably a rubber policeman to kind of, put it back into the flask. And make sure you do it in small amounts, not a huge amount of water. And there you have it. To make the ice, what you're gonna do is you don't just want to dump in everything. You just take a couple and you could add in some water. And since you want it to be around 15 degrees Celsius and not below, it has to be around 15. If it's like 16 or 17, then that's fine. But you don't want to get it below 15 degrees Celsius. For this next step, you make sure you dissolve the precipitate or any solid that was in your flask. And if you see it's dissolved, you get your stir bar, make sure it's clean so you don't have a tainted solution. You put it in and you turn on the stirrer on your hot plate and make sure it stirs just enough so it's not splashing or anything, just to get the just to stir it around. And you add in 2 to 3 drops of your green indicator. And it has a blue color as we see here, but at the end of the titration it's gonna be a yellow green clear solution. The color I have here, it's more yellow and it doesn't have the green tint to it, but it's a yellow green clear solution when it's been titrated really well, not to say perfect, but really well. And that's pretty much what you have.